Hey there, wonderful people. Today, we're excited to dive into the top 5 best 4K drones on the market, each with standout features that could be perfect for enhancing your aerial photography and video projects. With all the product links conveniently listed in the description, feel free to check them out anytime. This list was crafted based on our personal experiences and research, including ratings, reviews, orders, price, quality, and durability, so you can make a confident choice. Let's take a closer look at what each of these incredible drones has to offer and see if one could be the right fit for your lifestyle and creative goals. Number 5, we have the Xiaomi Mijia V198 GPS 4K drone, a compact, foldable option with an impressive GPS and intelligent obstacle avoidance system. Equipped with a brushless motor and powerful 7.4 volts 3000 mAh battery, this drone provides a flight time of up to 30 minutes and a control range of up to 3,000 meters. It offers multiple camera resolution options from 4K to 8K and a 120-degree wide-angle field of view, so you can capture sharp, expansive shots. Features like one-key takeoff and landing, altitude hold mode, and waypoint flight mode make this drone a user-friendly choice for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. Number 4, we have the Fimy Mini3 SE 4K drone. This sleek, lightweight drone weighs just 245 grams, making it highly portable and easy to carry around. With a flight time of up to 30 minutes and a remote control range of 9 kilometers, it's great for capturing stunning footage over long distances. The anti-wind level 5 ability makes it steady in outdoor conditions, and it's equipped with app-controlled features, making it accessible even for beginners. The Fimy Mini3 SE includes essential accessories like a remote controller, batteries, and operating instructions, making it a great ready-to-go option for anyone looking to capture high-quality 4K content effortlessly. Number 3, we have the Treasure L200 Pro Max 4K drone, a feature-packed option with a 2-axis gimbal and brushless motor for smooth, stable shots. Weighing in at 216 grams, this drone offers a control range of up to 3,000 meters and can capture stunning 4K UHD footage with enhanced stability. With a flight time of 23 to 25 minutes and 3-speed levels, it's ideal for capturing cinematic aerial shots. The app-controlled features and one-key takeoff landing make it very user-friendly. Plus, the L200 Pro Max's durable construction and comprehensive warranty make it a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable, high-performance drone. Number 2, we have the Xiaomi Mijia T6 4K drone, which comes with a high-performance 8K video recording capability and a wide range of advanced features. This drone is equipped with complete omnidirectional sensing, GPS, and an impressive 3-axis gimbal for perfectly stable footage. With a flight time of 28 minutes and an extended control range of 10 kilometers, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to capture expansive, high-quality footage. Its optical zoom and support for multiple video formats make it versatile for a variety of uses, and it's compatible with multiple languages in its app, making it accessible to users worldwide. This is a great option for those seeking professional-grade features in a compact, user-friendly drone. And finally, at number 1, we have the Fimy Mini3 4K drone. This top-ranked drone is packed with advanced features, including 4K HD video recording, GPS, and a lightweight design at just 249 grams. It's equipped to handle wind speeds up to 20 to 30 kilometers per hour and offers a flight time that lets you capture smooth footage even in challenging outdoor conditions. The drone supports multiple operating frequencies, making it versatile and responsive, with easy app connectivity and a maximum resolution of 48 million pixels for incredibly sharp images. For anyone looking for a powerful yet portable 4K drone, the Fimy Mini 3 provides an unbeatable combination of performance, ease of use, and value. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on our latest reviews and discover more top-rated products to help you make the best choices for your needs.